guys, welcome back to our channel. So today there was like a snowstorm, so that means school was canceled today. And look at our car. This is how high it is for me. I'm just standing in here.
Dito lang sa sakyan natin.
I made it work. And you guys, before you want to see our backyard, click that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications. Give us a
Ito yung first time na mag-snow ng ganito kalakas dito for ilang years na tayo dito? 5 years. Ito guys, tignan nyo kung gaano kalalim yan.
That's my friend. Yours was so, no, it's really that big. I'm gonna go farther than my own second. I can barely walk. Yeah.
Miel, you wanna go there? Go there, to ate.
I made it. Mommy, you want Meal to see?
Oink!
Whoa! Neil, don't go here. This is even deeper. Yeah. Hiya. Whoa! Ah! I almost fell. Stay there. Me and Mommy. Good going, you. Why am I keeping falling? Now my car has snow.
Say hi. Wala ate. What are you doing?
Mommy! My throne!
Oh, lalim. Come on, let's go to the backyard.
So you guys, if you don't know what just happened, last night it was snowing and someone on our swing here and it's so high. It's even almost higher than me. Look. Look at it. And look at the swing. I'm sitting. My throne.
Halo-halo.
You want Hannah?
You do snow angel. Dali.
How? I cannot see.
Ate, ganun mo yung hood mo dito.
Wait.
Look at the door.
Look at. Oh. Rain.
Ate, be careful.
Rain.
Yan, you go with ate.
No, but this is a castle.
Miel is making a castle.
Pringle, where are you? Where are you, Pringle? Pringle. And yes, Pringle got covered. I wonder where's Pringle now. I think Pringle's covered. She must got blown away or maybe. And then she...
I got stuck. Ate, are you standing?
No.
start to go to office. Alright.
I'm not lying. I'm actually sitting. Mommy, where's my legs?
Come here.
No.
No, no, come here. Yeah, you can make castle here.
Look, Mommy. Kids, look.
No, take my hand.
Ah. Mommy.
Walk in.
Mommy.
You okay here?
I fell now. I fell.
You can make castle here. What? I'm gonna sit over here. Oh no!
You sit down like that. You have to go.
Oh my G, I'm not getting shelter. Ate, wait, picture lang kita.
Should I put it here?
No, on the other side.
This is a path where we always go when we're going to school, you guys.
Yeah, this is the way to school.
Yeah.
But how can we go out now?
Yeah.
Oh!
That's the problem. That's why I'm making a path with this ginormous shovel.
Imagine, di ba? Nakalahati, oh.
Imagine you can make snow cones outside.
Not just snow cone. You can make a snow castle.
Yeah.
A huge snowman.
And a snowman dog.
Oh, Mia, right down like
You
this.
guys, I'm gonna shovel that.
On our path.
Yeah, give me one tiny shovel. No, this one.
We need to...
Mommy, can I have the big shovel back? Big.
Mm.
Are you ready?
Hi. Yan. What are you doing? What are you doing, guys?
I don't know where I was a Pringle.
Ate, what are you doing?
Making a path.
Going outside?
No, making a pathway to go to school.
School is closed.
Yeah. I mean, when we go back to school. Get out, Snow. This is harder than I thought. Wait, that means my school is closed too?
Yeah.
No teachers are there?
Yes.
This is harder than I thought it would.